Coming to the next question. Check whether the relation R in capital R is real numbers defined by R is equals to A comma B, A less than or equals to B cube, it is B cube, is reflexive, transitive and reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So first condition we will see, checking about the reflexive, A comma A. So for all A belongs to R, can I say A less than or equals to A power 3? If A less than or equals to A power 3, then A comma A is belongs to R. So A less than or equals to A is not right for each and every element of R. So that's why it is not reflexive. Now coming to the symmetric case, if A comma B belongs to R, this implies A less than or equals to B power 3, then by taking up this condition we cannot say B less than or equals to A power 3. So checking A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2, 1 less than or equals to 2 power 3 is right. So 1 less than or equals to 2 power 3 is nothing but 1 less than or equals to 8. By taking up these, B less than or equals to A power 3, B is nothing but 2 less than or equals to 1 power 3. So 2 less than or equals to 1, which is false condition. So we cannot say if we know A less than or equals to B power 3, we cannot say B less than or equals to A power 3. This implies B comma A does not belongs to R. So in that case it is not symmetric also. Coming to the last transitive case, if A comma B, B comma C both are belongs to R, with that help can we say A comma C belongs to R? So A comma B belongs to R, the meaning is A less than or equals to B power 3, B comma C belongs to R, B less than or equals to C power 3. So with that help can we say A less than or equals to C power 3? We'll see whether it is true or false. So for this we will take up any example. Consider A is equals to 27 and taking B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 2. First of all, whether all the conditions are getting satisfied or not. A is 27, 27 less than or equals to B is equals to 4, 4 power 3. So 27 less than or equals to 4 power 3 is nothing but 27 less than or equals to 64 is right condition. And B less than or equals to C power 3, B is equals to 4, 4 less than or equals to C is nothing but 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 3 it is nothing but 8, 4 less than or equals to 8, it is also right. By taking up these two, can we say 27 is less than or equals to 8? So this one is false here. 27 is not less than or equals to 8. Then we cannot say A less than or equals to B power 3, B less than or equals to C power 3. We cannot say A less than or equals to C power 3. So in that case it is not transitive also. Coming to the next question. Question is looking a little lengthy, but the answer is very simple. First try to understand the question what it is given. Show that the relation in the set A 1 2 3 4 5 given by R is equals to A comma B such that mod A minus B is even. Mod A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. And next question, show that all the elements of 1 to 1 1 3 5 are related to each other and all the elements of 2 comma 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1 3 5 is related to any element of 2 comma 4. So this second question can be done directly by writing the relation here. So we'll write the relation capital R. Now capital R, a comma b such that mod a minus b is even. First of all, we'll consider it from the first element. Take the product, the subtraction part should come as even. So even number will come only subtracting the subtracting the odd integers or even integers. So first a is equals to 1 if you consider, then 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 is even, so you can consider 1 comma 1. Next 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, mod minus 2 will be plus 2, plus 2 is even, so 1 comma 3 is also one element. And coming to the next 1 comma, next odd number is 5, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, mod minus 4 is plus 4, plus 4 is also even. 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5 is even, so 1 comma 5, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus mod minus 4 is 4, 4 is even number. So coming to the next question, coming to the next, take 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next 2 comma 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 mod minus 2 is plus 2, plus 2 is also even. Coming to the next 3, 3 comma 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 is even. Next 3 comma 3, next 3 comma 5. Coming to the next 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 minus 2, 2 is even, 4 minus 4, 0 is also even. Next 5, 5 minus 1 is even, 5 minus 3 even, 5 minus 5 is also even. Just you stop. Now we'll see whether it is equivalence relation or not. So first of all, whether given R is reflexive or not. Set A is containing 1 to 5 elements. So first of all, 1 comma 1 is present, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5. So all the elements are present. Then first one is said as reflexive. Then coming to the next, whether it is symmetric or not. 1 comma 3 is taken here. Then 3 comma 1 is also present. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 is as it is. 1 comma 5 is considered. Then 5 comma 1 is also present. 2 comma 4 is taken. Then 4 comma 2 is also present. 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3. So for each and every element of a comma b belongs to R, this implies b comma a is also belongs to R, then in that case it is symmetric also. Coming to the next, whether it is transitive or not. Transitive case, so 1 1 if you consider, starting with 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is present, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5 is present, is okay. So no need of considering this 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, which are related elements. Other than that, we will see the other ones. 1 comma 3 is present, 3 comma 1 is present, a comma b, b comma c is present, then 1 comma 1 is also present. If 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 both are present, so this implies, can you write a 1 comma 1 is present? Yes, 1 comma 1 is also present in the relation. Now anything you consider, so either 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1, again 1 comma 1 is present, 2 comma 4 is present, 4 comma 2 is present, again 2 comma 2 is present here, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3, 3 comma 3 is also present here. So any element you consider, any a comma b, b comma c, which are belongs to relation, we can see a comma c is existing in that particular R. So in that case it is said as transitive also. Now coming to the next question, show that all the elements of 135 are related to each other. So we'll see from here only. 135, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. So these elements are related. So 135 elements are related to 135 elements. And next we'll see about the odd even numbers. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4. So 2 4 elements are related to 4 comma 2 elements here. Now coming to the next, but no element of 135 is related to any element of 2 comma 4. So 135 element, any element you consider, whether one is related to 1, 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 5, but 1 is not related to 2 or 4. So no element of 135 is related to 2 comma 4. Either 2 comma 4 elements are not related to 135 in any way, is related to any element. So no element of 135 is related to any element of 2 comma 4. So this thing can be proved, it can be shown from writing of the relation.